Have you ever felt a knot in your stomach when it comes time to talk about money for the work you love? You are not alone. For so many brilliant women who teach, who guide, who build communities, who pour their hearts into making a difference, there is a deep, unspoken tension. It is the feeling that you are standing at a crossroads with two paths, and you can only choose one. On one path there is purpose, beautiful, lit by the glow of changing lives. On the other path, there is prosperity, strong, paved with financial security, freedom, the power to grow. The world has told us we must choose. This is a false choice. But what if the two paths were never meant to be separate? Let's get honest about the myth of the starving servant. It says to be truly good, truly dedicated, truly spiritual, you must struggle. It paints the noble teacher, the selfless guide, left with breadcrumbs. This belief is not just outdated, it is dangerous, a cage. You see it when people are shocked a teacher wants to be paid well. You hear it when a coach is called salesy for stating her prices. This narrative benefits a system that underpays and undervalues women's labor. Burnout is not a badge of honor. Exhaustion doesn't make you better. Your purpose deserves support. It deserves to be funded. What if being well paid was an act of service, so you can care for yourself, your family, invest in tools, education, and team? Imagine your purpose is a magnificent, deep-rooted tree. It provides shade. It provides shelter. It provides fruit. This tree is your why. What gets you up in the morning? Prosperity is the water, the sunlight, the rich soil that nourishes it. Without resources, leaves dull, fruit sparse, growth stunted. Well-nourished, it thrives, roots deeper, branches higher. Your purpose gives your business its heart and soul. It is magnetic. Marketing from clear purpose doesn't feel like selling, it feels like sharing. Prosperity is power and sustainability. Money is a tool, an energy exchange. Compensation gives you time and resources, better tech, a helper, childcare, freedom to say no and yes. Profit creates ripples. Hiring women, buying local, modeling possibility. Before you can take action, you must first shift your beliefs. Hold these truths. Write them down. Say them out loud. First, your skill has inherent value, and it is honorable to be paid for it. Second, money doesn't change who you are. It amplifies who you are. Third, you can start small. No fancy website, huge following, or perfect plan required. Fourth, boundaries are self-respect and a requirement for growth. Say a kind but firm no to misaligned requests. Protect energy for paid work, then serve even better. Financial stability fuels creativity, generosity, and presence. Real change happens when you take tangible action. Step 1. I help who to do what. Keep it simple. Step 2. Pick a starter price, break the seal. Step 3. Tell 5 people with a warm personal message. Step 4. Deliver with heart. Be present, be helpful. Step 5. Celebrate the win, then save at least 10%. Small, consistent actions build wealth over time. Each step is a brick in the foundation of purpose and prosperity. Pause. Feel being paid for your purpose, then keep going. Real stories, real progress, small wins in action. Sarah bundles 10 math games into a $15 PDF. 8 sales, $120, proof. Maria offers a $50 virtual prenatal session. A grateful client shares, a waitlist forms. Aisha replaces free chats with a $97 power hour. Better inquiries, more energy. These are not overnight sensations. They are intentional, incremental growth. Each win reinforces, my purpose has value, and I can be compensated. Your own small win is waiting. Go find it. Educators, entrepreneurs, you can do both. Facing the fear, when doubt creeps in. Who do you think you are? What if no one buys? You'll look greedy. This voice is normal. Your comfort zone stretching. Acknowledge it. Thank it. Move forward anyway. So what if one person buys? That's your first client. And a testimonial. Return to your why, the person you serve. Purpose is your shield. Find a mentor, a mastermind, a supportive thread. Fear shrinks in community. Follow for more on money, mindset, leadership, and growth. The Sustainable Cycle, a simple plan for growth and integrity. Serve consistently, create paid offers, track essentials, reinvest in your mission, post helpful tips, write a weekly note, teach a community class. Stay visible, stay generous. Free content shows expertise. Paid offers deliver transformation. Know your numbers, income, expenses, and lives touched. Students, clients, customers. Reinvest in you, your tools, your team, and your community. Use the fruits of prosperity to strengthen the roots of purpose. Financial success with integrity. Claim your space. Stop shrinking. Start thriving. The world does not need more brilliant women dimming their light. It needs you fully resourced, expressed, empowered. Stop apologizing for wanting a life that is meaningful and abundant. Financial security is not selfish. It is strategic. You are not called to live empty. Your cup deserves to be full too. Claim your space. Claim your expertise. Claim your value. Your success will ripple to women, families, and communities. This is a daily practice, a series of small, conscious choices. You are a teacher, you are a leader, you are a builder, you are a healer. The question isn't if you can have both, it's your next small step. Will you write your offer? Tell one person? Open the savings account? Do one thing today. Women, educators, entrepreneurs. Drop one word in the comments. Purpose or prosperity. Follow for more. Explore more tools to align purpose and prosperity. Digital products can scale your impact. Purpose and prosperity are not enemies, they are partners. Subscribe for weekly content on money, mindset, leadership, and growth. You do not have to choose between purpose and prosperity.